Welcome to Law Dojo. In a significant judgment, Supreme Court of India has held that an accused who is already in custody for one case can apply for anticipatory bail in another case. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Pardiwala, Justice Manoj Mishra delivered a judgment in a case which raised the issue whether anticipatory bail can be granted in a particular case when the accused is arrested in another case. The court has now clarified that now accused is entitled to seek anticipatory bail in connection of an offense as long as he is not arrested into that offense. Once he is arrested, the regular bail under section 437 of CRPC is the only remedy that is available. If a person is in custody for one crime and fears being arrested for another crime, the new crime will be treated as completely separate case. This means the legal rights and protection for the accused and the rules for investigation apply independently to the new crime. If the investigation agencies needs to question or investigate the accused for new crime while he is already in custody for different crime, they can ask the accused to be reminded if the anticipatory bail has not been granted. However, once the accused gets anticipatory bail for new crime, the agencies can no longer ask for police remand in relation to that new crime. On other hand, if the remand order is already given before the anticipatory bail application, the accused cannot apply for anticipatory bail, but instead he can only apply for normal